Hi, I'm Margaret Lewin and welcome to Margaret Lewin Quilting. Today we're going to be working on block number 17, which is a 9-patch. This 9-patch we're using color number 11 fabric number 11 and fabric number 5. And if you take a look at it, it's an extremely simple 9-patch. So how I'm going to sew it together is the way I sew every single 9-patch together by sewing 2 together, adding the third. I'll make 3 rows of it, press it, then put my 3 rows together. Once I've done that, I'll come back and show you exactly how I pressed it and what my block looks like. I'll be back in just a minute. Here we go. Here's block number 17, all done. And I do want to show you that once again, I did press my seams open. I did use my 18-inch strip stick and I used my wool pressing mat to press it. So here is the very simple block number 17 of our springtime sampler. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with the next block for our springtime sampler. Thanks so much. Bye.